Hey guys, in this video I will tell you how to deactivate your Facebook account on your computer. So the first step is on the Facebook, you have to click on your profile icon on the top right of the screen. Click on it and then click on settings and privacy and click on settings. Now here it will show the settings page and on the left side you can see this option account center. Now click on see more in account center right here and then click on this search icon here. Click on it and then search deactivation or deletion. Now click on it and click on the account that you want to deactivate. Just click on it and deactivate account. Click on continue and then continue again. Then it will ask you for your password. If you enter your Facebook password here and click on continue, your page will be deactivated. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel.